Troubleshooting Verizon iPhone voicemail issues.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that some of you might be facing: Verizon iPhone voicemail problems. We'll go step by step through some of the most effective troubleshooting tips. Let's get started.
Are you experiencing a network issue?
First, we need to make sure your device is connected to the network. You can check this by looking at the top corner of your screen. If you see Verizon and a few signal bars, that means you are connected. If you're not seeing this, you may be in an area with weak or no coverage.
Have you set up your voicemail correctly?
Next, we'll check if your voicemail has been set up correctly. Go to Phone to Voicemail to set up now. If you're being prompted to set up voicemail, that might be the issue. Follow the prompts to set it up.
Have you updated your iPhone to the latest iOS?
Sometimes, outdated iOS software can cause voicemail issues. To check for updates, go to Settings to General to Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it.
Have you tried resetting your network settings?
This will not erase your personal information, but it will reset all network settings including your Wi-Fi passwords. To do this, go to Settings to General to reset network settings. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords after doing this, but it could solve the issue.
Is your voicemail box full?
Lastly, make sure your voicemail box isn't full. If it is, you'll need to delete some messages to free up space. You can do this by going to Phone to Voicemail and swipe left on the messages you want to delete. We hope these steps help you troubleshoot your Verizon iPhone voicemail issues. It can be frustrating when technology doesn't work as expected, but hopefully, with these tips, you'll be back to normal in no time. Thanks for watching.